They call it an all-in-one fingernail toenail kit. Tell you what this is. This is an incredible manicure pedicure kit that I can really get behind. There's some really incredible things in this just for you to know and to check out. For instance, like they do have two, I would call them average-ish size clippers. Everything in here is large and oversized and designed for durability, but they do have a pair of just regular old angled clippers in here. Again, nice, big, thick, all-metal design that also has built-in files on here if that's something you need as well, so that you can quickly and easy take care of some little things. It does have a bigger file in here as well for you to do some of that, which is great having an angled one, but check this bad boy out. I love this. This here is their larger fingernail or toenail clipper, but it has a pivoting head. I love this because it means that you can pivot this head and comfortably be able to do your manicuring, your pedicuring from any angle here that is comfortable for you. Any side, any angle, left-handed, right-handed, whatever way will make it comfortable for you. It's got a very good spring design, so it's not weak or anything like that. It's not cheaply made. I mean, you can really tell the quality. This one also has that built-in file if you want it as well. But if you're getting a kit like this, one of the things you've probably checked out is probably its heavy duty pieces. So if you got really thick, gnarly toenails, this is gonna be your best friend. This is a thick toenail clipper. If you've not seen one of these before, it's designed to use a little bit thicker blades with a little bit more pressure to make clipping those easy. One of the things I do like about this, nice big design for guys with bigger hands like myself. The angle works really well for your toes, but also the way it folds up, you're not keeping tension on the recoil portion the whole time. It folds away so that you can pack it smaller in this bag and doesn't keep tension on it the whole time, so you're not ruining it like so. It just has a quick little flip up, flip back, and you are done, as well as little blade protector there for storage. Overall, it's got a lot of other tools as well. Overall, if you are looking for a good kit for toenails, for fingernails, for manicures, pedicures, check this one out. It's big, fits well in my hand. It's got a great case to carry everything. Feels extremely durable. Blades are very sharp. Overall, I think you're gonna love it.